If you love to travel and can't resist delicious meat, Japan is calling your name. From sizzling wagyu beef to mouth-watering grilled skewers, let's explore 5 must-visit places in Japan where incredible food meets breathtaking sights. Kobe is famous worldwide for its meltingly tender Kobe beef. Head to a teppanyaki restaurant where skilled chefs cook the beef right in front of you. And while you're here, don't miss the scenic Harborland area or take a ride on the Kobe Nunabiki ropeway for stunning city views. Osaka is all about flavor-packed food. Try juicy Yakiniku, Japanese BBQ, in the Dotonbori district, or grab a skewer of kushiyaki, grilled meat on sticks, at Kuromon Market. After eating, visit the Osaka Castle or experience the excitement of Universal Studios Japan. In Tokyo, food is on another level. Try premium wagyu in Ginza or savor a bowl of rich tonkotsu ramen in Shinjuku. After your feast, explore the vibrant Shibuya crossing. Visit the historic Asakusa Sensoji Temple or take in the cityscape from the Tokyo Tower. Nagoya is famous for Misokatsu, a crispy pork cutlet topped with sweet miso sauce. Try it at Yabaton, a legendary local restaurant. After eating, visit Nagoya Castle or take a walk through the Osu shopping district for unique souvenir. Fukuoka is a hidden gem for meat lovers. Enjoy juicy yakitori, grilled chicken skewers, at a cozy izakaya or indulge in Hakata wagyu, one of Japan's best-kept beef secrets. While here, take a scenic walk along Ohori Park or experience the famous Hakata Gion Yamakasa Festival if you visit in July. Japan isn't just about sushi and ramen, it's a paradise for meat lovers too. So which of these places are you adding to your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more exciting travel tips.